Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So, today's going to be the day that we're going to try and start the TEG. But first, I'm going to wrap the exhaust because things are going to get pretty hot there now. So, I'm going to do that first, then bolt it all up and hopefully start it with no issues. Fingers crossed. Right guys, so, moment of truth. I've basically chucked a stock rail on with injectors, a stock map sensor, and then a stock ECU. So we should be able to turn the TEG on with that, because with my ECU it wouldn't have run all the injectors because they were too big. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it will run. So Luke's in the car. Turn her on, or try and turn her on. Ready? Yeah. Straight on. Get in. It's been a long time coming, and I was nervous to start the thing, but boy, she runs good. Serve ski. Have to bleed the coolant, but I think this is the first time the car's running, what, over a year? Yeah, I need to check all the lines and stuff. This is water cooled and oil, so fingers crossed guys, you get no leaks and it's fine. Oh man, this is sick. Guys, I'm so happy. Yep, fuel pressure's good. Oil pressure's good, 6 bar. Engine light's on, but it's a stock ECU and one of the exhaust sensors isn't actually in because we don't run it, so that's why that's on. But I've got some fresh tyres as well. I've done a smaller size because the ones I had on were too big, and as I was cornering it was rolling over, so I've got some small tyres that just wait to sit through the night. But I do need to get some more hit wrap and finish off the exhaust because that's going to get redder. Oh yeah, I'm in there for all that. Sounds good. Sounds real smooth. Oh. Now he's got the turbo on it, it should actually be quiet. But oh man, I can't wait to drive this thing. Yeah, the heat that's just burning on top of the they won't do that when you start on, but yeah, I need to wrap all round and bottom. Yeah, I'm going to bleed the coolant and then, yeah, we should be about there. Right guys, so, finally there with the TEG. And with that, I'm probably going to wrap it up for this video. So, the next thing you see on the TEG will probably be it getting remapped. I haven't actually booked it in anywhere yet, so I don't know how long it's going to take, but that's what's going to be next on TEG. So thanks for sticking with it guys, and like I always say, look after yourselves, and I will see you in the next one.